Alright, for chapter 7.1, we're going to do a sample problem in which we are finding the confidence intervals for the mean when the standard deviation is known. And our sample problem is, there has been an increase of stray cats at several veterinary clinics in the Los Angeles metropolitan area. The mean number of stray cats out of 84 that find a home is 61.2. The standard deviation of the population is 7.9. Find the 95th percent confidence interval of the true mean of the population. So first, we're going to want to get a visual of what we're going to be looking for. And we're looking for the 95th percent confidence interval. And so we'll just write this out, put our mean in, 61.2, and these are going to be the general areas for where we will be looking for our interval, right in here. So next what we're going to want to do is find our alpha, which is the area of the two tails combined, the area of these two. So what we're going to want to do is take 0.95, 1 minus 0.95, which will give us 0.05. And then, because that is the total value of both of these areas combined, we have to divide by 2, and that will give us 0.025. So now each one of these values is 0.025. Now, since the area is to the left of our interval, and we're going to use our z-score chart because that always gives us the area to the left. And so for 0.025, our z-score value is negative 1.96. And now we're going to take 0.95 and find the z-score for that, because 0.95 is all of this area right here. We want to find that. So 0.95 will equal 1.96 positive. So now the easiest thing to do is to just write out our equation, which is the mean minus our alpha divided by 2 times our standard deviation over the square root of our sample size. And then it'll be positive this time. Alright. Now, all you have to do is just plug everything in. So our mean is 61.2 minus our alpha, which we decided was negative 1.96. And then we'll times that by our population standard deviation, which is 7.9 over the square root of our sample size, which is 84. And then we can just solve for that in our calculator, and we will get 59.09. Next, we'll do the opposite, and we'll go 61.2 plus 1.96. And that'll give us 7.9 over the square root of 84. And that'll equal, once it's plugged in our calculator, 63.03. I'm sorry, 63.3. So now, all we have left to do is just to write it out properly. So using our rounding rules, we'll round down to 59 is less than mu, which is less than 63 is rounded down as well. So we are 95% sure that this number of stray cats falls in between 59 and 63.